The next thing we'll be covering are process diagrams for documentation. Process diagrams are visual guides that show the steps in a process, making it easier to see how everything connects, especially in DevOps projects. Here's a simplified guide on using them effectively. Pinpoint essential processes. First, identify the main processes in your DevOps project, such as managing source code, integrating changes continuously, testing automatically, deploying, and monitoring. Break down these processes into smaller parts. Make flowcharts or BPMN diagrams, which stands for Business Process Model and Notation. Use software like Microsoft Visio, Draw.io, or Lucidchart to create diagrams that map out the process. These diagrams should clearly show where the process starts and ends, include decision-making points, and outline the steps in order. These visual tools are effective for mapping out the workflow, making complex processes easier to understand and follow. On the right, we have a process diagram or flowchart that outlines a customer support procedure. It begins with a ticket submission, followed by case assignment. If during business hours, the support team responds, otherwise an on-call technician is alerted. At assigned tickets prompt reminders, while assigned ones are prioritized for review and resolution by the support team. The process cycles until issues are resolved, culminating in ticket closure and a follow-up email. Detail what goes in and comes out. For every step in your process, note down what you need to start, which are the inputs, and what you expect to get out of it, which are the outputs. This might be code, test results, deployment packages, or anything else relevant. It's important to show how each step is linked to the next. Clarify who does what. Make sure your diagrams indicate who is responsible for each step. This removes confusion and makes sure everyone knows their responsibilities. So that's a quick overview of process diagrams for documentation.